I did a couple takes, and I was all like really over animated in social media, and it was fucking gross. I was like, I gotta fix this shit before I cut it because I only get one take when I cut it. So I got stoned, and then we're gonna do it again. We're starting now though. Okay.
Hey, what if we go back to ZZ Top first time?
All right, Billy, let's go back.
Brown sugar.
Oh, that was. I fucked it up already. All right, we got sourdough. A new loaf of sourdough. We're gonna do this. All right. Courtesy of my sister. I need something to change my life. Some brown sugar, baby. Oh, some brown sugar, yeah. After I slather all this on me. Here we go. Okay, the cinnamon sugar first. Adding it. Ooh, that's better change it. It's a mess. It's a lot. Alright. Okay, and a little bit of the hard stuff. Ooh. Look at that. You know you want that brown sugar. Play it, Billy. That's right, sir.
Wasn't in the record, but I like it.
Making new shit. Alright. Let's toast it. We got a new air fryer. Get out. Boom. Put on toast. Let's get a Be back in a minute. I woke up with curly hair this morning. I'm gonna use it. Changed my life. Make me feel good. It changed my life.